Okay, so when you get your paper, you're going to put it on your paper like this, so it's hamburger, not hot dog, hamburger. You're going to fold it in half like a book. So you're going to take this side over, and you're going to try to get the corners to match up over on this side. So hold it, fold, bring it to the corners, and press down like that. Then, when you open it, you'll have a line that is perfectly in the middle. So when you cut it, which is what you'll do after you fold it, then you'll have two pieces of paper that are the exact same size. And we're going to draw our flower on this one in just a second. Okay, we're going to make a really big flower that goes off of the page, just like Georgia O'Keeffe did. So first, and you can follow along, you do the middle of the flower, so like a circle, or like an oval. And this is just on one of your papers. And then you're going to draw big petals. So it's going to be a big curved line. And it goes off the page. I'm not going to draw on the table. And then for the other side of the petal, like this. So you don't actually draw the rest of the petal. Just like that. I'll draw a little darker so you can see. There, I went over it so you can see it a little better. So that's one petal, and then you're just going to keep making petals like that. So here's the top of the petal. It goes out past the page, but we don't actually draw off the paper. We just pretend it's going over here in the bottom of it. And then we do that all the way around. So here's another curved line going down. And here's the other side. So you do one side of the petal, and then you do the other side of the petal. And they're just big curved lines. And you don't actually see them connect because our paper is not big enough for them to connect. Just keep going all the way around. Just make it as big as you can. Just make the flower too big for the paper. The flower is not going to all fit on the paper. It's too big. Just like Georgia O'Keeffe did. Okay. Like that. Okay, with the oil pastel, you're just going to color the middle of the flower, the center area, where all the pollen goes. Okay, then you're going to use a light color. So it can be like light blue, light green, a pink, something like that. And you're just going to color this much of each flower. Just the beginning of each petal. I mean, not flower. The beginning of each petal. You're going to pick a light color. And you're going to pick the same light color for every single petal. It can be yellow. It can be light blue. No dark colors. Yeah. There, like that. Do that. Okay, now you're going to do a color that's a little bit darker than this. So since I did light green, I'm going to do a normal green next. If you did light blue, you're going to do like normal blue next. If you did pink, you can do like red next. So I'm going to go get a normal green because that's like a little darker than that one. Okay, and you just do the next part. See that? I'm just doing the next part of each petal. Like the middle part of each petal. Yeah, exactly. You just do a little darker. Like that. Okay, so I want to show you. You can blend these colors together. You take the light one back and you go back and forth like this, and it blends the light green into the dark green, or light blue to dark blue, whatever you chose. And so it blends it nicely together, and it's extremely awesome and magical. So now you're going to get that first color back out and blend your two colors. Okay, you guys, your next color that you pick out, is going to be close to your main color on the color wheel. So I did green, right? And what's next to it is blue. Or I could do yellow, but that's what's next to it. So if you did a purple flower, you're going to want to do like red or blue next. If you did an orange flower, you're going to either want to do red or yellow next. So you want to do a color that's next to this color on the color wheel. So watch this. For your next one, you just do that next color. All right, look, keep watching because I want to show you the magic part. Thank you. It's going to get even more magic. You're going to take that first color, that light one, and you can blend that too. Like so. So that can blend as well. Do you guys see that? Isn't that so amazing? Okay, so go ahead and do that next. Do your last color now. When you are done with this step, it's okay if you're not done, but when you're done with this step, you are just going to simply cut on your pencil lines. You're just going to cut it out. That's the next step. Yep. Like this. Like that. Once you are done cutting out your flower, the next thing you have to do is fold. Okay, you have to like fold each petal up. Okay, so you have to like hold the middle and then bring it up and fold it. So see how it like pops up now? And you're gonna do it on every single petal. So the petal pops up. Okay, we want the petals to pop up. Like that. That's the next step. Alright, the next thing you're going to need is a glue stick and your first piece. Remember we cut this piece of paper in half and we had 2 pages. So you have to get your other page that you made. And you're going to glue in the center. Just the center. And then you're going to put this on here. There. And line it up. There we go. Line it up like that. So that way when you put the petals down, it goes to the edges. That's the next step. So this is what it looks like from the side. Alright, so put your cap on when you're done, and then underneath each petal you're going to write one way to show kindness. So you can write share with others. Okay, I'm going to use this felt tip pen so you guys can see, but you're going to write a way to show kindness. Under each petal, share with others. And at the end of a sentence, you write a period. And then under this one, you can write use manners. Okay, you can write say, I'm sorry. So you can write any nice thing. Say, I'm sorry. And you're going to put one underneath each petal. Okay, and when it is all done, it should look something like this. So you should be able to lift up your petals and see a different way to be kind underneath every single one of them. Okay? And that's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.